Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're looking at two of, kind of the same watch. ISL-38 on the left, ISL-85 on the right. So the difference is, as you probably noticed, this one has a fluted bezel and the J style bracelet. This one on the right has a smooth bezel and the O style bracelet. I would say this one looks similar to kind of the same design language or styling as Oyster Perpetual, and the one on the left would be more so like a date just. Price for both of these from Island Watch is $349. This one's currently sold out. This one was sold out for a while, but I think it's back in stock now. So definitely the one on the left is a little more dressy. This one's more of a everyday type watch, but also a dressy watch as well. The dial color, of course, makes it a little more of a fun watch, maybe less dressy, but still dressy enough. Oh, also the ISL-38 has a date. ISL-85 does not. It technically does have a date, you just can't see it. They both have the same movement, the Miyota 9015, which is a high beat movement, 8 beats per second, hand winding, hacking, 42 hours of power reserve. The case is the same on both of these. It's the Seiko Sarb case, or very similar to the Seiko Sarb case. They both have the display case back. You can see the good looking movement there, Miyota 9015. Does have some decoration to it. So I always like looking at automatic movements. They don't even have to be decorated. I think it's just cool to look at. So this one, a 3-link bracelet, brushed, solid end links, solid links. They both have the same clasp. It's a mix of stamps and milled metal. 3 micro adjusts. So this one has the J style bracelet. It's a mix of polished and brushed surfaces. Like I said, it's definitely more of a dressy looking watch with the fluted bezel, which does sparkle. So that's pretty cool to look at. You have to let me know which of these two you would pick. I am selling the ISL-38. Well, I asked my better half which one she liked better, and she was a little bit at a conundrum because she likes the fluted bezel, she likes the J bracelet, but she likes the dial of this one. I halfway considered doing a dial and movement swap. I've never done it before, so I'm a little leery about doing that. I don't know if I can just remove the case back and then I don't know if it's like the Seiko NH35 where there's a little lever in here you push to remove the crown and then just pull it out and swap it over. I'm not sure how that rehot is attached in there, but I'm really deciding against it. I don't know, maybe I could swap the bracelets, but I don't know how that would look. I don't know how Jubilee would look, J bracelet would look on this watch here. So anyway, I'll get both of these on wrist. Oh, actually, there is a little bit of a difference in the dimension. The case is exactly the same, as I mentioned. 44.5 lug to lug, 38 diameter, 10.5 thick, 6.5 millimeter crown, and both of the bracelets do taper from 20 down to 16. I do find that the J bracelet is more comfortable on wrist. There's definitely more articulation, but this one looks a little more sporty, and I think it goes well with that dial. Oh, the difference in dimension. The lug to lug with the fixed center link here is 48 millimeter And then the lug-to-lug of the fixed center link here is 46.8 millimeter. So that would be a difference of 1.2 millimeter. So anyway, I'll put this one on wrist first, and then we'll go to the other one. Then we'll close out the video. So yeah, let me know which one of these two you like better. Actually, I think he offers a gray dial of this. This is kind of a bluish dial. I think he offers this one with a smooth bezel as well. He has so many different variations of watches. I have not kept up with them all. Anyway, here it is on my 6.5-inch wrist with a 52 millimeter wristband. I think I have this one sized, yeah, a little bit looser as well. I'm not sure why I did that. Can tighten up the micro adjust, I guess. And now over to the Robin's Egg Blue dial. I do like this dial. I kind of knew I would like it by the pictures and video that Mark did, but seeing it in person, yeah, I don't know. It's just out of the norm for me. I would not normally pick a watch with this dial color. So there we go. This one almost looks... Yeah, this one looks bigger on my wrist. I'm sure it's an optical illusion. Yeah, because the bezels... Huh, interesting. Well, another thing I noticed too is the crystal on this one is a little more proud than the crystal on the other one. Or perhaps just the bezel is not as tall. It's probably more likely what it is. You can feel the crystal is proud of the bezel here. Hopefully you can see that. And this other one, the fluted bezel, it's about flush with the crystal. So it's a very slight, very small difference. Yeah, the crystals are the exact same size as you would expect. I wasn't going to do the Lume, but what the heck, let's just take a look at the Lume here. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I greatly appreciate it. It means a lot to me. It also helps the channel grow. And like the video, leave a comment, and I will be right back. Alright, so the ISL-38 is on the left, which you can probably tell from the fluted bezel. And on the right we have the ISL-85. As I suspected, the Lume is the same between both of them. Yeah, Lume's pretty much exactly the same. While the ISL-85 does have more Lume at the 3 o'clock, of course, because it doesn't have the date window. But other than that, almost identical. So anyway, that will conclude today's video. Thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.